The enumerate function allows you to access indices and values when iterating over a list, tuple, or a string. Enumerate works, quoty fingers on the works, with types like dictionaries and sets, but the result isn't useful as the order of those two aren't guaranteed. In this example, you iterate through the indices and letters of the string high, so this will end up printing out 0h and then 1i. The range function in Python generates a range of numbers within a given range. You might ask, a range of numbers? That's rather unspecific. Doesn't it generate a list or something similar? Turns out, no. The return type of the range function is range. If you want to turn it into a list, you must use the list constructor. If you only provide one value to the range function, that's the value it will stop one short of. In this code, range of 6 will generate a range of numbers from 0 to 5. Passing two values to range lets you control where you start and one short of where you stop. Range of 2 to 5 will generate a range of numbers from 2 to 4. Surprisingly, if you pass two values in the wrong order, you get a range of no numbers. Finally, passing in a third value controls how much is between two values. This value is 1 by default, but you can pass different values into it. Range of 1, 8, and 2 will start at 1, stop at 7, and advance by 2 each time.
Like and subscribe to learn more.